Another feature of LingoBuddy is the ability to play audio. Underneath the chat feature, you'll notice that there's the option to click Listen.
Hola, I am excited to talk about food. Do you have a favorite kind of comida?
Now, on the chat session, it sounds excellent. However, I will note that under the practice session for the visual cards, you can listen to it, but it doesn't sound as good. I'm not sure what the reason is, but the fallback is,
Hola.
yeah, it sounds robotic. Let's try another word.
Café.
Not the best thing. Again, the audio sounds the best in the chat right here. And you can also click on the speaker to use your integrated talking abilities. So I can say like, allow this time or allow while visiting the site. And then have it respond.